When you open Access 2016, you get this screen. You can see there are different templates. Here we click on blank database. We can type the name for our database. We'll type here student. Observe the extension .accdb. We are done. You can see we can add fields here. The first field is text field, so I'll write name. Likewise, we'll add the other fields as we did in the lab: name, class, section, gender, and different subjects wherein we'll add marks. Observe that I am making all these columns numbers because we are going to enter number, and when we create queries we will need the type of different fields. Now we will enter the details in the table as per the fields we have created. Let us create a few, let's say 5 different records. Now we will save the table and we can give a name to our table. Here I'll write student 1. You can see that the name has changed to student 1. Now let us design a query. Click on create and click on query design. We have to add the table. Click on add. Now I'll just drag and make it larger so that I can see all my fields. Now I will add the different fields here below which I want at the end of my query. I want all the fields here, so I'll select the different fields, ID, name. I want all the fields at the end of my query. You can see that when I'm adding a field, below that the table name is written. It tells us that when the query is run, our fields will be coming from which table. Here all are coming from student 1 because I have selected only one table here. I have added all the fields. Now the next column is sort. I can add here, like I want an ascending order, so I can select ID and write ascending. Now I'll mention the question in the criteria. I want the details of all the students who are females. So in the gender, in double inverted commas, I'll write female. When I click on run, I'll see that my table has all the female students with their details. This is how we design and run a query in Access 2016.